Hi, I'm Jack. I'm from TEVII Technology. I'm from Taiwan. Okay, this year I'm going to present you the new product called wireless presentation system. As you can see, that we have a transmitter and receiver. You can project the content of your laptop, your mobile phone into the projector or TV wirelessly. Okay, let me do you some instrumentation here. As you can see right now, we have a live stream. This is projector connected to the receiver by HDMI. So you can see right now we have 2 laptops and 2 iPhones on the screen. So it's perfect product for your conference room and education purpose. Okay, let me show you very fast, quickly. You see the laptop here? So as you can see, I can change. You see it's over there, it's changing. Okay, if you just need one screen, you simply tap the transmit here. Very quickly, see? Only one screen there. So I think this is a very good product for the conference room purpose. Okay?